How to transfer from Binance to Phantom Wallet on PC. Now, first of all, you need to open your account on Binance. Now, after that, open the Phantom Wallet extension from your browser. So, first of all, what you need to do to be able to send from Phantom Wallet to Binance on PC. So, first of all, click on send. Now, as you can see, this is the tokens that you can send to your Binance. Now, if you don't see any token here that you can't find it in Binance, so now you can go back to Binance and convert it to one of these tokens so that you can get the withdrawal address of those tokens. Now, after you find your token, for example, the Solana, so what you need to do, now go to your Binance to get the withdrawal address of Solana. Now, how to do that? Now, just it's easy and simple. Now, click on deposit. Now, as you can see here, click on deposit crypto. Now, after that, in the search bar, just type Sol like that. So after you find your token, now click on it. Now, as you can see here, select the network. In this case, we need to select the Solana network because Phantom Wallet only accepts the Solana network. Now, after you select the network, as you can see, please note that Sol address are case sensitive. Now click on OK. Now you can copy the withdrawal address of Solana token. So what you need to do, now go and open your Phantom Wallet to be able to send the Solana token. Now click on send. Now select the Solana, and as you can see the recipient Solana address box, you can provide the withdrawal address that you copied from your Binance, and now in the amount, now type how much you want to transfer like that, and after that click on next, and then after a few seconds, about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Binance. So this is how to transfer from Phantom Wallet to Binance on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.